In this video, I'll show you how to upload audio to Roblox. First, go to the Roblox website and click on the Create button. Open the side menu and choose Creations. If the side menu is invisible, click the three-line icon at the top. Select Development Items. Then scroll down and choose Audio. Click on the Upload Asset button. Remember that you can upload up to 10 audio tracks per month, and the file must be in one of the supported audio formats. Click Upload. Find and select your audio file, and then click Open. Give your audio a name and add a description. Then click Upload and wait for the page to load. Select your uploaded audio, then scroll to the distribution section. If you want others to use your sound effects or include the audio in their experiences, enable the Distribute on Creator Store option. In some cases, you may need to click Submit for review before your audio becomes available on the Creator Store. Once done, click Save Changes. Alternatively, you can manage permissions by selecting Permissions from the side menu. Here, you can allow specific friends, groups, or experiences to use your audio. Go back to your audio list, hover over your sound effect, and click the three dots on the right. Select Copy Asset ID to get the audio ID for your game, or click Open Asset Details if you need the audio link. To copy the link, select the address bar, right-click, and choose Copy. And that's it. Now you know how to upload audio to Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like